Hi, everyone. Today, we will learn about the phrase, bill something as something. This phrase means to describe or present something in a certain way. It is often used when talking about marketing or how something is promoted. For example, a company might bill a product as new and improved. You can say, they billed the event as a huge success. Notice the structure. Bill object as a description. For example, they billed their phone as the best on the market. This phrase is separable, so the object comes after bill and before as. It's important to use as after bill to show the description. Don't say bill as without the object in between. You can use this phrase in advertising, news, or daily conversations. It helps to explain how something is framed or promoted. Remember, bill something as something often shows a positive or promotional description. Try to use it when you want to talk about how something is presented. For practice, say, they billed the movie as exciting. Or, she billed her book as a guide for beginners. Be careful not to say they billed as exciting the movie. Use this phrase to improve your English and sound more natural. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.